Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. In today's video, I will be participating in a collaboration entitled Father's Day Tablescape 2020, and this is being hosted by the team Diva Dynasty team. The lead host is Miss Alberta of Mysterious Alberta, and the team are her co-hosts as follows: Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Diva Decorating, Cynthia, She's So Blessed, and me, myself, and DIYing It. I'll have these ladies' links in the description box below along with the playlist. But first, I'd like to honor my dad who served our country, as well as serving my mom, being a wonderful husband. He also served me and my siblings to be a great father and also a grandfather to our children and a great grandfather to our children's children. But most and above all, he serves all our Heavenly Father, and I love him so much, and I will be setting a table in honor of him along with others. But first, I would like to share with you how I created a collar and tie from Napkin. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.